Hello.
Are you coming with me?
No, I'm waiting for someone else.
Who are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for Emily.
How long will she take?
Within 10 minutes.
Okay, then I'll go.
Okay, you can go.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. I'm free tomorrow.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Why do you study English?
I study English for my job.
What does she like to eat?
She likes to eat pasta.
Where does he play soccer?
He plays soccer at the park.